going to learn a simple way to use up clothes that you don't typically wear, and instead of them ending up as waste or being donated, you're going to repurpose them into an item you can actually use. And all you need to do this is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. You should have a pair of fabric scissors, but I don't have a pair of fabric scissors, so we're going to use my kitty scissors from when I was in grade 2. So what we're going to make is a tote bag, and all you need are scissors and a t-shirt. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut the sleeves off. So right along, you have the seam line here. Within the seam line, so before you actually hit the sleeve, on this side you're going to cut right along there. And to do that, first you want to fold the t-shirt in half. Doesn't really matter what side you're on, but you want to fold the t-shirt in half like this, and then make sure the sleeves are lined up, and you're going to cut right along there on both sides. So let's do that now. And with the sleeves, I use them for cleaning, so instead of paper towels, they make really good cleaning cloths. They are great for when you're at the gym and you're exercising. So now we have the sleeves off, and it looks like a muscle tank right now. Super cool. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the neckline and we're gonna cut a really deep U. So these are gonna be the handles of your bag, and we're gonna cut down into a deep U. And you don't really have to worry about the lines being really neat. One thing I've learned through cutting t-shirts like the one I'm wearing right now, you can just turn the shirt inside out and stretch it at the area you cut, and it will help smooth out any lines. Now we have shirt here, so we've made a really big U. Now we're going to take the shirt inside out. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to cut along the bottom of the shirt into long strips. So it's going to be cut vertically, and there's going to be about, I would say, 1 inch wide and then maybe 3 inches long. So you want to cut up to about here and then just do continuous lines going all the way up, and you want the lines to be as even as possible. As you can see here, I've just cut them into little strips. It kind of looks like fringe. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to tie them. So you're going to take the two at the very end, and you're just going to tie them together. Just a simple over under. That's it. And you're going to keep doing that all the way down. Okay, so we've tied them all at the bottom. Now we have to go back and we have to tie them again. I'm gonna take this piece here and then this one here. So this is the bottom of the second knot, and this is the top of the first knot. I'm gonna take this piece and this piece and tie these two together the same way I've been tying the other ones. And then we're just going to do that all the way down. Okay, so this end got a little funky, but that's okay because I'm a little funky. All you have to do is turn the shirt inside out, and now it's a bag. And I will put my hourglass in it, because why not? Because that's glass, so it proves that it won't break. Wow. Oh wait, it's not in it. Wow, look at that. Okay, I'm definitely gonna fix how lopsided it is, because I don't know, it's not that bad. Okay, well, as you can see, you now have a nice tote bag you made yourself. Wow, wow. So that's just a little fun craft to do. You really don't need anything to do it. You don't need money. You just need a shirt that you don't care about anymore, a pair of scissors that you could have had from grade 2. It really doesn't matter the kind of scissors you have. Like, these are not even real, like, they're round. They're baby scissors. So easy peasy, and now I have a new bag and some cleaning slash gym rags and whatever this will become. I don't know, stay tuned. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you make the bag, all the best. And if you do make it, maybe put it in your story and then tag me at _ctablog. I would love to see your designs, and I would love to help you live more sustainably during this interesting time. So thanks for tuning in.